Today I will cook a pastry which is easy, better than the ones you buy outside, and the best part is it's quick and no need for overcooking. Let's start with the filling. Take one onion and cut it in small pieces. Take 2-3 garlic cloves and cut them in small pieces. Do the same for 6 or 7 pieces of mushrooms. Take one tomato, skin it, and then cut it in small cubes. You also need 2 green peppers. Cut them in small pieces. Also cut some parsley and set them aside for their turn. Take a pan and add some olive oil and then add the onions with garlic. Let them cook a bit. When they change color, add 400 grams of ground beef. Mix them well. When the meat is about to get cooked, add the mushrooms, mix them a bit. Then add the peppers and tomatoes. Also mix them. Before turning the heat off, add the ingredients. I'm adding some salt, black pepper, basil, turmeric, red and sweet pepper, and oregano. The amounts and the ingredients can be changed depending on your taste. Finally, add the parsley on top and mix once or twice. Do not cook the filling too long. Take them aside to cool until their turn. We need to prepare the sauce to spread around the dough. We need 1 egg, 1 glass of milk, and half a tea glass of olive oil. Mix them very well. Once the sauce is ready, take a pan and spread some olive oil. Then start placing the yufka or dough around the pan. Leave the sides outside. Spread the sauce everywhere, then go for the second layer. Spread the sauce again. And then let's add the filling that we prepared earlier. Let's also spread the filling around. Close the first layer on top and keep on spreading the sauce. Then start with the second layer. If you see small openings, just use the leftover dough with the sauce. It will be fine. Lower the heat to the lowest level and cook until both sides are golden and crispy. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments. Bon appetit, everyone.